Hello everybody, we are back. Bit late, but we are back. And today we are going to discuss on surface area and volume chapter. Before I go for this question, whether you know the formulas of surface area and volume, like especially we are talking about first term formulas. So if I give the formula, we have volume of first term. So volume of first term formula is volume of frustum 1 by 3 pi h of r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 into r2. And if I talk about CSA of frustum, curved surface area of frustum, then anyone knows, anyone guesses? Yes, pi L of, yes, tell me. Yes, tell me. R1 plus R2. And if I talk about TSA of frustum, pi L of R1 plus R2 plus pi R1 square plus pi R2 square. So these are the three formulas of frustum. Okay, just note down these formulas so that then we'll go for this solution of this sum. Yes, okay, let us see. This will erase it. Okay, let us start this solution. See, from the top of a cone of radius 12 centimeter and height 20, small cone whose radius is 3 centimeter is removed or cut off. How far down the vertex is cut to be made? How far down the vertex is cut to be made? How far down the vertex cut to be made? And find the volume of frustum so obtained. So what they are saying, like this, you have one cone, okay, whose radius we can say R1 12 centimeter, and the height of this cone, if I can give you here, this height of cone is 20, correct. Small cone of radius 3 centimeter is removed. One small cone, like from here we have removed, and this radius is R2, 3 centimeter is cut off. How far down the vertex? This is the vertex right here where I gave A. How far down the vertex? Matlab, at what height of the small cone you will cut off, cut to be made. Then we should find the frustum. So this is the frustum height, okay, which is yellow color in this, right? So that height is not given, total height is given. So total height is, think it h1, okay, and this height is h2. We have one formula which says that h1 by h2 equals to r1 by r2. To height of the whole cone, that is 20. h2 we don't know. Radius of whole cone is 12 and the small cone is 3. 3 ones are 3 fours are. And if you cross multiply, 4 h2 is equal to 20. h2 is equal to 20 by 4, 5 centimeter. It means that we should remove from the vertex a cut to be made at 5 centimeter. Okay. How far down the vertex is a cut to be made? 5 centimeter down the vertex. 5 centimeter down the vertex. Cut to be made. Now, wait, what is the height of a frustum? So height of frustum is, that is h is equal to total height minus small cone height. Total height 20, small cone height is how much? 5 centimeter. So we'll get 50. Now we can find out volume of frustum. What is the formula? 1 by 3 pi h of r1 square r2 square r1 into r2. Right. So 1 by 3, 22 by 7, 15, height is 12, sorry, radius is 12, another radius is 3, and then 12 into 3. So we can see here cancellation is not possible. Here 3 ones and 3 5s are, yes, no doubt. 22 into 5 divided by 7, 144 plus 9 plus 36. Correct. So we need to add this 144 and 36, 40, 45. 144 plus 45, how much? 9, 189, right? So 110 by 7 into 189. Cancel this. 7 ones are 7 twos are 14. 7 7 are. And now just multiply 110 into 27. You will get the answer. 0 7 ones are 7 ones are, and 2 zeros are 2 ones are 2. That is 2970 centimeter square is the, cube, as it is volume. Okay, as is volume, so volume unit will be cube. So what is the answer? 2970 centimeter cube. Thank you.